swinging back and forth to you. You say I'm a pendulum, and it's true. I've got hypnotizing effects on you. Swing on out and swing back, and I couldn't stop my swinging, but swinging too much makes you sick, like how you go crazy watching the clock tick. But babe, you've got a hold on me, and finally I'm hanging stationary. Apparently you're everything I need. Now you've got me in your grasp, and I am trying to make this last. I have done so tired of moving at all.
That was really good. That guitar riff you got.